My name is Cynthia Ramaturiska. You can call me Cynthia. I am class D. I will explain what coronavirus is. Coronavirus, or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease caused by a viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disturbance to the respiratory system, severe lung infection, to death. Coronavirus infection is called COVID-19 one and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December. The virus is transmitted very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. That makes some countries implement policies to impose lockdown in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus. In Indonesia, a large-scale social restriction, or PSBB, policy was put in place to suppress the spread of this virus. Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the respiratory system. In many cases, this virus only causes mild respiratory infection, such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as lung infection or pneumonia. System of coronavirus or COVID-19 early symptom of coronavirus infection can resemble flu symptoms, namely fever, runny nose, dry cough, sore throat, and headache. After that, the symptom can disappear and heal or even aggravate. Patients with severe symptoms can experience high fever, can with plaque and even bleeding, shortness of breath, and chest pain. These symptoms appear when the body reacts against the coronavirus. In general, there are three general symptoms that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus, namely 1. Fever or body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius. 2. Dry cough. 3. Hard to breathe. There are several other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although more rarely, namely diarrhea, headache, conjunctivitis, loss of ability to taste or smell, rash on the skin. The symptoms of COVID-19 generally appear within 2 days to 2 weeks after the patient is exposed to the coronavirus. Then, causes of coronavirus or COVID-19. Coronavirus infection or COVID-19 is caused by coronavirus, which is a group of viruses that infect the respiratory system. In most cases, coronavirus only causes mild to moderate respiratory infection, such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as pneumonia, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome or SARS. It is suspicious that the coronavirus was initially transmitted from animal to humans. However, it was later discovered that the coronavirus was also transmitted from human to human. A person can get COVID-19 through a variety of ways, namely accident inhaling saliva, splashes, or droplets that come on when people with COVID-19 cough or sneeze. And 2. Hold the mouth or nose without washing hands first after touching an object affected by saliva, splashes of a COVID-19 sufferer. And 3. Close contact with sufferers of COVID-19. Coronavirus can infect anyone, but the effect will be more dangerous often fatal if it occurs in elderly people, pregnant women, people who have certain disease, smoke, or people whose immune system are weak, for example in cancer patients. And then, prevention of coronavirus or COVID-19. Until now, there is no vaccine to prevent coronavirus infection or COVID-19. Therefore, the best prevention method is to avoid the factor can cause you to be infected with this virus. Namely, 1. Apply physical distancing, which is to maintain a minimum distancing of 1 meter from other people and not leave the house unless there is an urgent need. And 2. Use a mask when doing activities in public place or crowd, including when you go shopping for groceries. And 3. Routinely wash hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Then, do not touch the eyes, mouth, and nose before washing hands. Encourage endurance with a healthy lifestyle, such as eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, getting enough rest, and preventing stress. Avoid contact with people with COVID-19. People suspect of being positively infected by the coronavirus, of people who have a fever, cough, or runny nose. Cover mouth and nose with tissue when coughing or sneezing. Then throw the tissue in the trash. Keep clean objects that are often touched and environmental cleanliness, including cleaning the house. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.